Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy learning.
Today, we are going to learn an amazing letter sound. Look carefully. This is the letter B.
This is capital B and this is small b. Both are the letter B. The letter B makes a special sound. Listen carefully. B, B, B. Ball. B, B, ball. Baby. B, B, baby. Book. B, B, book. Balloon. B, B, balloon. Butterfly. B, B, butterfly. Bed. B, B, bed. Now, let us read them together one more time. B for ball. B for baby. B for book. B for balloon. B for butterfly. B for bed. We learned the letter B and many B sound words. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing the B sound. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.